I am going to show you how to play Brawl Stars on PC. To start, go to bluestacks.com and on the home page, click See All Versions. Scroll down to locate and download the Pi version. After the download is complete, open the installation file to begin the setup process. This may take a while as it will download more resources. Once installed, run BlueStacks X as an administrator to launch the emulator. Inside BlueStacks, search for Brawl Stars. If it doesn't appear, it's likely because you haven't signed into Google Play yet. Click on Open Google Play Store within BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, search for Brawl Stars in the Play Store. Select it and click Install. When the installation is complete, you can hit play to start playing Brawl Stars on your PC.